For this activity, I'd like you to go to the back of your packet and very gently rip out this piece of paper. It is two-sided. You'll see this format on both sides of the paper. Make sure your name, your number, and your date is on your paper, and then come back to me. What we are going to discuss right now is kind of a strategy that we use to solve word problems. It's called the RE-CUBES word problem strategy. And on the left side of the paper, I have the letters RE for re, and then cubes spelled. And each of these letters stand for something specific. And I'll explain as we go along. At the top, I have a word problem, and then I have some other boxes that we'll be using to solve this word problem. So let's read the first step of the RE-CUBES word problem strategy. Read the problem twice. Okay, let's read this word problem twice. An office manager just got back from vacation, so he has a pile of 371 letters to read. Then the mail carrier comes and delivers 74 more for him. How many letters does the office manager have now? Okay, I want you to read that problem one more time to yourself. Now the next step, the C, circle numbers and labels. This is where we are going to circle any numbers, any important numbers in the word problem. And then we need to decide, what are we working with in this problem? What amount are we trying to decide? So I'm seeing the amount 371. I'm going to circle that. I want you to circle it as well. I see the number 74. Now, what are we dealing with in this word problem? What is it, the amount that we're trying to find out? It is the letters. 371 letters, 74 more letters. Very good. And then how many letters does the office manager have now? Great. So we have read the problem twice. We have circled the numbers and labels. Now I want us to underline the question. Now the question is, what is the word problem asking us? What is our ultimate goal in the very end? What are we trying to do? And we are trying to figure out how many letters does the office manager have now. So please underline that. Now we are going to box in operation clues. That means that the clue words that help us add, subtract, and then eventually multiply and divide. I'm going to pause this and I want you to try to find those clue words in here. All right, what clue words did you see in here to help us figure out if we're adding, subtracting? We're not multiplying and dividing yet. Let's see here. I saw the word more. More means you are adding. And then I saw how many. How many lets us know a total. So we are probably adding a total together, adding two numbers together or more numbers to get a total. So we have boxed in our clue words. Now this next step, this is my favorite step in the RE-CUBES strategy. We're going to explain our strategy. I call this wick and wind. Wick, W-I-K, what do I know? And wind, what do I need to do? Well, what do we know about this word problem? Well, we know that office manager just got back from vacation, but do we need to write that down? No, that is unnecessary information. But we do know that he has 371 letters. I want you to write that down as I write it down too. 371 letters. And if you need to pause the video, that's fine. 371 letters. I also know that he got 70 more. And this is not a sentence moment. You don't have to have a capitalized letter. You don't have to have a period. This is more like a note-taking moment. Got 74 more. This is quick. We're just making notes here. So we know that he had 371 letters, and we know he got 74 more. Now, what do we need to do? This is how we're going to explain what are we doing. Well, what do we need to do to figure out how many letters he has? Well, we probably need to add them, right? We need to add. Very good, very good. Now, this seems like a pretty simple, straightforward word problem. There's not much mystery to it. We have some letters, we got some more. How many do we have now? We are going to get into some very complicated word problems as time goes on. Don't freak out. But that's why I have these different steps, is to help you out. Because sometimes you're going to have to add, subtract, and then multiply. Or subtract and then divide. So that's why we have the what do I need to do. So the last step is solve by showing my work. This is where we do start, change, result. I'm going to put that up on our board for us. You write down SCR on your paper. All right, I've got SCR on my paper. You should have it on yours. What are we starting with? We're starting with 74 letters. And then what's happening to the change? Well, we are having more. So we are adding. Oh, I'm sorry. We didn't start with 74. Woo! This is Stalka. We started with 371. And then we got 74 more. And then our result. Now this is where you could put down, this is where you could put down the missing variable if you needed to. So we could put down L for letters, capital L. 371 plus 74 equals L. And then we could go over here and let's solve it. 371 plus 74. Let's add this up. I'm going to pause the video. I want you to solve it. Write it down in your paper. All right, if you did your math correctly, you would have come up with a total of 445 letters. So 371 plus 74 is 445 letters. That, my friends, is how you use the ReCube strategy to solve a word problem. Now we're going to stop this video, and then I want you to go on to the next video in your pathway so we can do the next problem on the back side of this piece of paper. So flip your paper over and watch the next video. I'll meet you there.